I made it to 1,000 subscribers. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you steps I took to bring my channel to 1,000 as fast as I could. It would be so selfish if I didn't tell you the tips and skills I used to bring my channel to 1,000. So stick around as we enjoy this video, and probably it will help someone out there who is trying to get their channel to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is Joe, and I'm here to explain to you how fast you as a small YouTube and small content creator could get your channel to 1,000 subscribers. It's not very easy. Like many have said, the first 1,000 is the hardest to get to. So I remember 6 months back, I was starting this YouTube channel, and every day I would beat myself up of, when will you get to the 1,000? When will you get to 100? Then you hit the 100 mark, and then you're like, when are you getting the 200, the 300, the 400, the 500? It's actually not tough. It's a very possible thing to do. It's a very possible journey. And some of the things I did is, first you have to do is post content on your channel. You have to post videos whenever you can. It's not by force, but whenever you can, you really have to post videos so that you pile up a number of videos for you. Make sure you're piling up a number of videos so that when someone comes to your channel, they look and see, videos that you have so far. Right now, of course, I'm not monetized, and that's like, in the future, maybe we shall, but for now, we are celebrating the 1,000 mark. It's possible. It's very possible. So I'm here to encourage you and give you tips. Yes, that was my first mention. Like, you really have to post videos. You have to post videos whenever you can, every single day, if you can, every week at least. Make sure you're consistent with the way you're posting your videos. And definitely one day, one time, something will blow up. That is the first point on how you should grow your YouTube channel to 1,000 subscribers. Then we shall go on to the next one, which is post shorts. Currently, the trend that is going on YouTube channels is shorts. YouTube is promoting videos that are coming out with a lot of shorts, and people are using that subscribe button on the shorts to subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of shorts on my YouTube channel, and those have really helped me scale out, reach out to a lot of different people in different countries, and those people are also coming to watch my other videos. So all in all is, make sure you do a lot of shorts. The more you do, the better. The more people come to your channel, the more people will watch your videos. So this trend of shorts is coming to YouTube because, of course, a lot of people went to TikTok because they have shorter content videos which someone can just scroll through. So YouTube also decided to bring a shorts version onto the YouTube platform, and of course YouTube is really catching up. And yeah, make sure you do shorts every day. Make sure you post content. Sometimes they may not take off, other days they will take off, but we don't know how YouTube recommends those short videos. But do some nice shorts for your channel. Make sure you upload at least every single day 1 to 3 shorts, or more if you can, and I'm sure your channel is going to go to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, so I reached 1,000 subscribers and I'm celebrating. Yeah, so I'm celebrating, but what next for the YouTube channel? That is a question me and you ask. I have a lot planned for this YouTube channel. I have a lot in stock that I'm going to be bringing to you people, and I'm very excited. Like before, when I had started this YouTube video, I know like the volume that I started with was low. The quality of audio was terrible. It was terrible, I'm telling you. But every day we keep on improving. That is what interests me in this journey of YouTube. That every day we keep on improving this journey. For example, the time I started, I did not have a microphone. Right now I have a HyperX, actually that's what it's called, because I bought it. I invested some little money into this YouTube channel, and of course I think I'm glad I did, because we develop with this. YouTube is a journey that helps you scale out and develop, reach out to different people, spread your message across nations, across universes. Maybe the aliens are there watching my YouTube video. So I think it has helped me as a person grow. It is a very interesting adventure. It's actually very fulfilling, and I think I'm happier as a person because of many reasons, but also this is one of them. Let me not go astray from our video. I'm still mentioning the reasons or ways in how my YouTube channel has grown to 1,000, and I'm trying to educate you on how you're going to get your channel to 1,000 subscribers. The next point is, when you're posting videos, make sure they are quality. Thumbnails, everyone is going to keep on telling you about thumbnails, about titles, about quality of the video, about everything, hashtags, about uploads. It's a lot involved in YouTube. So make sure you learn all these things. Make sure you learn video editing, to make your video much better. I'm not the best editor, but at least I do try. I do try to edit my videos. I do try to make them more engaging and interesting, like you are still watching up to now. So of course I'm not Mr. Beast or anyone, PewDiePie, but I'm Joseph, and I'm different from all those people, and I'm going to help you just to get to 1,000, because that is where I am currently. I'm not going to get you to 1,000,000 or 100,000 to get the YouTube play button, but I'll get you to the 1,000 that I'm on right now. So just make sure you give it your time. YouTube deserves time, just like any other business you could start up. YouTube also deserves your time every day, maybe 30 minutes daily, just to create something small and throw it out there. It could be your breakthrough. So give it time, educate yourself about YouTube. A lot of people are coming out with courses, with tips, with tricks. So just educate yourself about YouTube, post content, post shorts. When the community tab comes on, also post the community, because YouTube is one of the places that educates you about, anything you want in the world. It has everything. It's a school, it's an entertainment place, it's a community, it's everything, guys. So if you're not yet to 1,000, make sure you put in the effort, put in the work, and one day it's going to happen. For me, it happened, and I'm really happy, I'm stoked. So thank you so much, guys. I hope this video inspires someone out there wanting to hit the 1,000 subscribers target. Of course, now after 1,000, what next? I have other targets I have to hit as a person on my YouTube channel. I have a lot of targets I have to hit. We have to focus on different things like watch time. We have to focus on more videos. We have to get inspired more to keep on pushing. But thank you so much, guys, for watching my YouTube video. I'm really humbled and happy that you're able to be here and enjoy this journey with me. Hands up to the people who have been here from the start, because I cannot forget you guys who have supported me, who have encouraged me, who have liked the videos, who have commented. Thank you so much, and hopefully we shall all hit our targets in life. We shall be blessed. So I think that is the advice I can give you for now on how to grow on YouTube, how to increase your views, how to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much, and stay blessed. Peace out.